So friends, today I've come up with new job alert. Okay, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा important है and even the 10th standard pass student can apply for it. 12th pass भी apply कर सकते हैं. Graduate जो भी हैं वो भी apply कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. So I'll just tell here the important things. यहाँ पे 4 vacancies they have shown, 4 different departments. Its recruitment is related with the income tax inspector, and then tax assistant. बाद में we have got stenographer, then multitasking staff. So the 4 different categories are having certain age limits there between 18 to 30. If you are between the age of 18 to 27 or 18 to 30, you are eligible. Now for the inspector of income tax, the age range is 18 to 30. And जो बाकी जो categories है, tax assistant and stenographer and multitasking staff, so for them we have got 18 to 27. Okay. Now essential educational qualifications, आपको क्या requirement है? For income tax inspector, degree from recognized university, so you should be graduate. Then for the tax assistance, degree from recognized university or equivalent, so again this is for the graduates. Now this one is for the people who have जिन्होंने 12th करा है pass, they can apply, right? और जो last category है, that is for the multitasking staff, उसके लिए 10th requirement. So यहाँ पर 12th pass और यहाँ पर 10th pass student also can apply, right? And income tax inspector, and now they have given some eligibility criteria. So they have also asking for the sports eligibility. I think this is for the people who are into sports, so this vacancy is for them. And we have got the deadlines also. Before that we'll have to fill up that. And these are the different sports category they have listed: athletics, kabaddi, football, hockey, golf, bodybuilder, cricket. And they have also specified more details, so I'll be sharing this PDF also. You can go through this. And what is the deadline? Application, you'll have to apply on or before 0504. That means by April you should apply for this. Okay, by April 15 April you should apply. So today is 2nd of April, so आपको तब तक apply करना है. These are the 4 categories already we have discussed. So this is the application for the post of inspector tax. So you'll have to fill this form, photo, signature, and you'll have to give your details: father's name, gender, full name, address, date of birth, and all details, all proof related details and documents, your signature and full name, date, and all. So you'll have to submit by 15. And if any other things are required, so that's be going to be there in the PDF which is there. I'll add that PDF also. So this is coming from government of India. This is basically the government job. Okay, so you also can go for it. Okay, even you have done graduation, you can still wanted to apply for these categories, you can go for this. Salary thing we have not discussed. So pay band is this much. You can see this 9,000 onwards, 34,000 here, 20,000, 20,000, and 20,000. Okay, so this is how the salary range would be approximately. Okay, so I think it's good enough to apply for it. They have added one more point: this can be other temporary, but it can be permanent as well. So just try applying this. And okay, so I'll be posting more job opportunities here. Okay, so do share with your friends. All the best. Bye.